that is one of the big parts of the fundamental shift that the world is going through at the moment. So to undo all these codependencies and all these, you know, kind of almost even political tentacles that you know, keep people small. We have here in New Zealand, and I believe in Australia it's a little bit of a thing as well, the tall poppy syndrome. Don't put your head up too high, and well, I shouldn't, but you should, you know. What's this about? So if you feel, if it is in your mind, and if it, like these women in Nepal, and if that is something where you know that you were guided there, and you have something to give, and always go for it. There will always come people who have who are helpful and literally supportive of that, and maybe the project gets even better because of that. But ultimately, it's your idea. And yes, I've learned that even when we were moving to Japan. I remember we had organized a party, and we were sitting together with a large group of friends, and they all told us how risky that is, and we shouldn't leave. Germany is such a safe haven, and you know, you get your pension later, and if you don't pay into the pension fund, then, and all kind of, everyone brought up their own fear, very well meant, you know, there was no bad intention, but that wasn't my life, that was their life.